Jack boasted about his parrot, Polly, claiming it could solve math problems. His friends laughed, thinking it was another of his tall tales. Determined, Jack invited them over. "Polly, what's 2 plus 2? Jack asked. "4. Polly squawked. The friends chuckled, assuming it was a fluke. "All right, Polly," Jack continued, "what's 3 times 3? 9. Polly replied, earning surprised looks. To really test her, one friend asked, "What's 7 minus 4? Polly tilted her head and squawked, "Are you kidding? It's 3. Everyone burst into laughter, realizing Polly was more clever than they thought.